Hello, everybody. Today we'll be looking at a Kanban problem. And to summarize what the Kanban method is it's a production and inventory control system in which downstream consumption in the supply chain would trigger the production instructions and parts delivery instructions. I believe Toyota were the ones that started this method in the 50s or 60s. So let's get to the problem. So the building department supplies parts to the final assembly line. Management decides to implement a Kanban system and has collected the following data. The daily demand is 1,700 units. The production lead time is 5 days, including the processing time, transport time, and waiting time. Management has decided to have 1 days of safety stock, which that's smart. One container fits 475 units. So then they ask, how many Kanban containers will be needed to support this system, round up to the next whole number? So there's actually a formula to find this. And what the formula is shown here. It would be the demand during replenishment time plus the safety stock divided by the container size. So pretty much when you see a problem that asks you to find um, Kanban units, you know to use this formula. So let's get to it. So first we need to find the demand. In the problem, the daily demand states that it's 1,700 units as daily demand, and the production lead time is 5 days. So we would just multiply those two together, and that would give us our demand during replenishment time. Next we need to find is the safety stock. Earlier in the problem, they mentioned that safety stock equaled 1 days of demand. And the daily demand is 1,700 units, so our safety stock, it will also be 1,700 units. Last, we'll need to find the container size, and this is given in the last bullet point, 475 units. So now that we have all the information needed, we can apply the formula. So the formula would be the demand during replenishment time, so the 8,500, plus the safety stock, 1,700 units, divide that by the container size, and that would get us 21.4. But with how containers work, you can't have you have to put the additional 0.47 into the next container. So that's why they ask us to round up to the next whole number. So in actuality, we'll need 22 containers because technically the last container won't be completely full. Thank you everyone for listening and have a good day.